Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how to use iCoinPro to actually paper trade so that you can practice using iCoinPro. So basically what we're going to do is, this is if you're a paid member, I'm going to show you how to use it. If you are not a paid member and you have just pre-enrolled, then you're going to go ahead and watch the boot camp right here. And you're going to learn about how to buy the dip, okay? And then here's how to paper trade. And then here's the advanced lessons down here. So I'm going to go over how to practically use iCoinPro as if you're a paid member, okay? So step 1 is you're going to log into iCoinPro. Step 2, log into your paper trading account. TradingView is a good one. And then what you're going to do is go to Forum. Okay, now please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos, and so that way this video gets some more views. So we're going to actually show you how to use this to potentially make money online. And iCoinPro is the only network marketing MLM program that you can use to be able to make money without having to recruit. And we're just having a brand new launch of the compensation plan tomorrow. So now is the best time to get in if you're watching this video. Just go ahead and get started right now to have the best iCoinPro experience and opportunity. So basically, let's scroll up. Today, it's today right here. Here's today. Okay, so this is the forum, and basically I'm just going to look for the co-owner's message. So he's going to share stuff about the day. So he actually analyzes the market and will explain to you what's going on with the market and explain what he's seeing. Okay? That's all. There's no guarantee. This is not like use this specifically. This is just going to help you get more information, okay? It's just education. This is not signals. This is not what to trade exactly. This is not, this is just what he's doing and what he's seeing. So right here is what I look for, where it says My Buds, and he's saying Alice and Spell, and he's saying small positions for me as volume is lowish. So you'll learn what kind of volumes you want to trade inside of iCoinPro, and he says that these coins are in an SEC lawsuit, so maybe go ahead and avoid these coins, but it's your portfolio, it's your money, it's up to you, so it's no guarantee of anything, so just go ahead and use this with a grain of salt, and disclaimer, right? So that way nothing bad happens. So real quick, let's just go to the iCoinPro disclaimers real quick as well. And results are not guaranteed. Trading is on you. This is 100% risk on you. And if you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. And there's no guarantee of day trading, right? But anyways, we're going to go to Alice and Spell and check out these coins. So log into iCoinPro. Click on the forum, look at the My Buds for the day. He posted this at 7:13. So now what we're going to do is step 2, go back to the home page, and then click on Trading Software. Okay, then we click on Trading Portal up here. And now here's our Trading Portal software. This costs $10 a month. Okay, so it's better than TradingView, and it's going to have everything built in for you. So see how everything's ready for us? So you're going to learn how to use this in the boot camp for free. You're going to learn how to use the Bollinger Bands. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and open up 2 Coinbase windows. Okay, so see how you can just click right here. You can open up the coin and CoinMarketCap, the X account, TradingView, Coinbase, or you can just put it on the chart up here. Okay, So I'm going to open up to Coinbase. So that way we can go ahead and get these coins up here. So the coins are, oh, right here. So ALICE and spell. So what we're going to do is just put ALICE, hit enter, go to here, go to the, put spell, hit enter, and so now we're looking at the coins that the co-owner is looking at for the day. So this gives us a more leveraged opportunity to not just lose our ass and make stupid decisions. We're going to be able to make decisions from the top of the mountain, and we're going to be able to decide where we want to go from there. So much more powerful to use iCoinPro as a system to day trade. So this is if I'm going to use real money. I would open up Coinbase and I would go ahead and use Coinbase to be able to day trade my money, right? So on here, I would click on indicators, click on Bollinger Bands right there, and then I would click right here, double click, and then I would change this to 50, which is you're going to learn this in the boot camp for free. There we go. And then here we got a 1 dip. So this is not the right time to buy the coin. Now if we go back to 7 in the morning when he posted this coin, that would have been on this candle right here. Okay, so even if you bought it at the top of the candle, it went up 2%, so you could have made it. iCoinPro is about making 1 to 2% trades, so even if you bought at the top of the candle, you still would have been able to have a trade right there. So that's pretty cool. And so right now I would wait for this coin to have that squeeze bubble 1, 2, 3 dip. So it's not looking like a trade that we want to take right now. And so let's go back here. So we got Alice and then we got spell, right? So here's spell and then here's Alice, right? So let's go ahead, put the Bollinger Bands on Alice right here, double click right here, change this to 50, click OK, and then let's go out on the time frames. Okay, so here, okay, so 7 a.m. when he posted that notification would have been on that candle right there. So if you bought at the worst of that candle, that would have been a 3% trade. Okay, so just by using the forum and seeing when he posts, you can literally just trade off of that. Like it's a really easy. This is like fucking easy. Okay, I never say easy, but this is easy. So this is how you use the iCoinPro software. I'm sorry, the iCoinPro forum to find your trades. So now what we're going to do is use the iCoinPro trading portal, and all we're going to do is use Buddy Coin Crawler, Trade Finder, and Blow Up Tracker. That's what I do. So Buddy Coin Crawler, we're going to click refresh right here, and then we're going to go ahead and sort by current to low SMA, and we're going to click on it twice to find the highest, organize it by highest. And then what we're going to do is just see if this number is way bigger than this number, because the average low is this percentage. So if the current low is way higher than the average, then it's probably going to be a good trade. So right here we can see that this coin's starting to dip down right here. Okay, it's got like a 1 dip, 2 dip. And what we want to do is we want to focus on finding what we were taught in the boot camp. So in the boot camp, we go right here, click on number 5, and right here we can see that we're looking for this structure right here. The squeeze, the bubble on the Bollinger Bands, and then the market dips outside the Bollinger Bands, goes back in, dips outside the Bollinger Bands, goes back in, dips outside the Bollinger Bands, and then there's our trade, right? So that's what we're looking for. So how do we use the software to find that? Well, what we do is we see if this number is bigger than this number. If it is, it's probably going to be in a good dip. Okay, so here we got a 1 dip. So those are the only two that are really looking like high numbers. And let's see if there's anything different. Maybe there's one that's like 0.1, but this is like a whole 1%. Let's see if there's anything like that. I don't see anything like that. So now we're done with this. Okay, so we're done with part 1 of looking for a trade. That's how quick it took. Is this number bigger than this number? Okay, that's how you find the best trades, because this finds the trades that have dropped the most compared to the average drops. Now we go to Trade Finder. Trade Finder is going to find trades that look like this more, trades that are dipping out of the Bollinger Bands. So now we're going to again organize by current to low SMA, and then we're going to click on the first one, which ends up being drift again, and so we can see we got like a 2 dip going on right here. So we're going to wait for this trade, move on to the next one, and we can keep an eye on it. That's a 1 dip. This one right here, it's 1, 2, making like a 3 dip, but it's a really small action on it. This is only 1.7%. We want to look for 2% trades, so I'm not really interested in any of these that are under 1.5%. So now we're done with the Trade Finder, which, how easy was that? How fucking easy was that? Does it look like the boot camp right here? And are the numbers big enough for us to even make money? Right? If this number is 2% or higher on the current low to SMA, these are good dips. On the BuddyCoin crawler, if this number is bigger than this number, look for the dip, and it's going to be a good trade. And then now we can go to percent change. We can see spell is the one that's dropping the most on here overall. And then we can see MTL is dropping right here. Okay, so the percent change. Okay. We can even zoom out and see dips on the 15-minute or the 1 hour. Okay. So like right here, we can see it, the squeeze bubble 1, 2, 3 right here. Okay, so it's squeeze, bubble, 1 dip, back inside the Bollinger Bands, 2 dips, back inside the Bollinger Bands, 3 dips, there's your trade right there. Okay, so that's how you find trades, and that was a trade that already happened, so we're not going to trade that, but we can see that it went up 7.5%. Okay, so that's how you find trades using this. You can click on percent change again and see the coins that are blowing up the most. See this? So you can ride these coins if you want. So like 1 time above the Bollinger Bands, back inside, 2 times above the Bollinger Bands, and you let it do like, 3 or 4, maybe 5, and then you can sell off. So see how it's popping up? So you can trade when the market goes up above the Bollinger Bands or below the Bollinger Bands. And so there's the dip trade and the squeeze trade. So you can actually get into SPA and ride this, okay? So you can ride this if you want. There's this coin right here that's going up, but see how this is 14% and this is 8%? So obviously SPA is definitely the better option. So you might want to take a trade on SPA. And that's up to you. There's no guarantee of anything. See how this coin's going up a lot too? So you can let this drop down a little bit and then ride it up. And that's how you use the software over here. That's literally how to use iCoinPro to find day trades. That's it. BuddyCoin crawler, is this number bigger than this number? Trade Finder, current low above 2%, and then look for the 3 dips. Okay, you always want to trade this and look for this based off of what you're finding on here. Okay, and the numbers just help you find the better trades. You can use RSI Spy to find coins that are really, really low. So click once on 1 day RSI, and then click right here. This will be the lowest 1 day RSI coin, and you can choose to buy it or not. I choose to, look for the dips and make sure that it's doing a 3 dip, 4 dip. So 1 dip, 2 dip, and so that's only a 2 dip. But click the link down below to get started in iCoinPro.